Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And before we get into the video, make sure you go follow my gorgeous model. That's number one. And number two, if you like this channel, if you like seeing my content, please go ahead, scroll down and click the subscribe button, okay? That shows YouTube that this is content that you like to see and that you believe others should see. And it really helps my channel out a lot. Thank you in advance. Now we're getting into her brows. And before y'all tell me, because I know you're going to tell me, looking back at this look, I should have softened the brows a bit. I used dip brow, which I love by the way, but I used dark brown and I would have gone in and did soft brown. Looking back at it, she has blonde hair. Soft brown would have just looked a little bit better. But nonetheless, this look is still bomb. So let's get to it. And also, I know you guys are going to say it, so let me clear it up. I've been wearing these long nails for almost just as long as I've been doing makeup, maybe even longer. They don't get in the way. I make sure of it. You can see throughout this video, they don't limit me and they don't hurt my clients in any way. And they definitely help a little bit when I'm doing lashes and stuff. So I'm using this really large flat MAC brush. If you guys want to cop it, it is MAC 252S, and I'm using Pro Conceal. I've kind of turned away from using Pro Conceal on the face, but I still love it for the eyes. So I got really close so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and this is in real time. Using a brush this large takes skill. If you're new to doing makeup, I suggest you use a regular size concealer brush. But if you feel really comfortable, up the size, you will get your brows done a lot quicker and you're able to cover the lid really fast. I don't like to hype up products that are not worth it. This is worth it. This brush bomb. It's really good. If you guys don't trust my word for it, I went to look up the brush just to get a picture of it. But it has 4.9 stars. You know, that's really good. That's a really good brush. And if you don't trust the reviews, trust this random girl. She said the brush is life. Now this is a one palette look. You don't have to go get 4 different shadow palettes. We're only using one. And this is a technique that I saw in a masterclass. And you want to apply your darkest color first and then chase it with your lighter color. Usually I do it the opposite. But honestly, y'all, I really like the results. The blending was quick, it was very fast, and you can see on the video how effective it is. It really diffuses that dark shade. It makes it look nice. And before you guys say I didn't show you the colors I used, here they are, the dark brown and the light brown. Don't say I didn't tell you what colors to use in the palette, because I did. So using that exact same brush that I used for her brows and also the same exact concealer color, we are cutting her crease. She has hooded eyes, so I'm going ahead and making an estimate on where I think her cut crease should go. Then I tell her to open her eyes. Boom. And that lets me see what her crease looks like when her eyes are open. If your cut crease is bomb and perfect and your client has hooded eyes, you need to guarantee that it looks bomb and perfect with their eyes open. It could be 2 completely different looks with eyes closed. Okay, I have hooded eyes, so I know this from first-hand experience. Just because it looks good with your eyes closed does not mean it looks good with them open. Using that same palette, using this color, putting on the lid, It helps set the concealer and matten the look up. For the glitter liner, you want to start with a pink base just to map out where you want your glitter. Then I'm going in and outlining it. And this is Wet n Wild liner. Pack it on, pack it on, pack it on. They don't make this glitter anymore, but it's just a monochromatic pink. Now, glitter will get everywhere. Glitter is like sand. Once you put it on, it's hard to get it off you. So secure your glitter. It helps it stay in place. I ended up mixing some glitter on top of the pink. I thought the pink just wasn't popping enough. I added a little razzle dazzle to it. Nothing special, like some gold or some silver. And that's why the final product isn't just pink. It actually has a little more color and variant to it. And I really like the final products. But you can do whatever color you want when you do your glitter liner on your clients. We were definitely having a little jam session. We were filming this, so you guys are gonna see at the end. We was having fun. I get my lashes from the ATL Boutique. If you live in Baltimore or Baltimore County, go follow them on Instagram. If you place an order on Monday, you're gonna get your lashes on Monday. Okay, same day drop-offs. I'm using this little pink fan. It's so cute. One of my clients got it for me. Elf primer. She has normal skin, so I'm not using a specialty primer. She doesn't have oily or dry skin. So usually you do foundation and then you do concealer and then you contour, but I'm doing it in basically one big process. I'm breaking it down into 3 steps. I'm gonna blend all the way at the end. First, I'm putting on her foundation, and this is a little bit lighter than her actual shade. Then I'm putting on her concealer, and I haven't blended anything yet. I'm just packing it on top. Concealer under the eyes, you know, the nose, all those good spots. Then I'm contouring. Again, I haven't blended anything. Now I'm going over and perfecting the top of her eyebrow. I'm using, what is this stuff called? Eyebrow. I'm only using it because it matches her complexion, but it is a good concealer too. And don't follow me. I'm using a foundation brush. That's not a good choice of brush to use. I'm using it because probably I was lazy and I know how to control the brushes, but I would never recommend you do a detail area like the brows with that brush. And make sure you blend, okay? We are not trying to look like drag queens. It's hot girl summer. You need to blend your makeup. This is powder for on top of her nose. This is going to help that nose contour come through. It's going to give us plastic surgery nose job. It really helps. It's one of the most important steps with nose contouring. Now, when I'm blending, I'm not just using the beauty blender. I'm going back and forth with this brush as well. I love this brush. If you don't have this in your makeup kit, you're doing it wrong. It's heaven. I'm going back and forth. The brush is really great. It's more aggressive. I can blend quicker, but the beauty blender is for perfection and it gets rid of streaks. And you know, I had to give you guys some of the behind the scenes footage. I did the little details outside of the camera. I'm doing her highlight here, and we were having so much fun with this video. I had to add the clips in, You feel me?
Don't play with her. Please don't. Play with something. Don't play with her. Play with something. That's who I'm here. I said what I said. Yeah.
I decided to pop on some bottom lashes for extra drama, and we are done. You guys, if you like this video, show me some love. Leave a comment down below. Of course, I'm going to respond. How cute is she? Again, make sure you guys go follow her and show some love on her page.